Are you stressed about holiday spending? Imagine making extra money online quickly this Christmas without needing any fancy skills or loads of time. I'm about to share with you more than 6 practical ways you can do this from the comfort of your home. Stay tuned because by the end of this video you'll have a clear path to making extra cash and access to tools to help you to start today. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Here we go. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to sell your unused items online. If you've got old gadgets, clothes or holiday decorations collecting dust, you can sell them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace or Mercari. High demand items like winter clothing and holiday themed decor sell quickly this time of year. Make sure your listings stand out by using clear photos and descriptive titles. For instance, instead of used sweater, try cozy cable knit sweater, perfect for winter. Highlight the unique features and price items competitively by checking similar listings. You can also bundle smaller items like kids' toys or DVDs to make them more appealing to buyers. And don't forget to offer local pickup for larger items. It saves you shipping costs and gets the deal done faster. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to offer freelance services. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer are gold mines for quick gigs. You can offer services based on skills that you already have, such as writing, graphic design, data entry, web development or even proofreading. Even beginners can find good opportunities. For example, if you're great at typing, you could offer to transcribe short audio files. Transcription gigs often pay $10 to $25 per hour and require minimal setup. If you enjoy social media, you can pitch yourself as a holiday content creator for small businesses. They often need help promoting sales. Now, to help you stand out, focus on seasonal needs. Advertise as your go-to freelancer for quick Christmas projects, emphasizing your ability to meet tight deadlines. Quick response times can win you repeat clients. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to become a virtual assistant. With the holiday rush, many small business owners are overwhelmed. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant to help with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, or handling customer inquiries. You can find these types of jobs on platforms like Belay or even LinkedIn. I recommend you start by messaging small businesses directly with an offer. Something like, "Hi, I'd love to help you tackle holiday tasks so you have more time for the family. I specialise in specific tasks. Let me know if you need any extra hands." You can charge by the hour. Rates often range from $15 to $30 for beginner VAs. The more specific you are about your skills, the more likely someone will hire you very quickly. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to participate in online surveys or testing websites. Companies need feedback on their products and websites, and they will pay you for it. Websites like User Testing, Swagbooks or Respondent.io let you earn money for completing short tasks. User Testing, for instance, pays around $10 per 20-minute test, where you provide feedback on websites or apps. Respondent.io offers higher paying gigs, often in the $30 to $100 range, for participating in research interviews. While surveys may only pay $1 to $5 each, they add up when done consistently during your downtime. Focus on higher paying tasks like website testing to maximize your earnings quickly. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to launch a print-on-demand store. Don't have any inventory? No problem. You can use platforms like Redbubble or Printify to create holiday-themed products like mugs, t-shirts and cards. They handle the printing and the shipping while you earn the commissions. For example, you can design a mug with a fun slogan like Santa's favourite coffee drinker, or a t-shirt that says "Naughty Nice Hustling for Christmas." Canva is a free tool to create some good eye-catching designs. You can promote your items on social media using hashtags like Christmas Gifts 2024 and share them in Facebook groups dedicated to holiday shopping. This is a low-cost way to start earning quickly online. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to teach or tutor online. You can share your knowledge by teaching online. Platforms like VIP Kid for English tutoring or Udemy for course creation are some great options. You can also offer one-on-one sessions via Zoom for subjects like maths, music, or even cooking. For example, if you are fluent in English, VIP Kid pays $14 to $22 per hour to teach children overseas. If you're skilled at something like baking, you can create a quick online class titled How to Make Holiday Cookies That Impress. I recommend that you start with your friends and family to build some testimonials. Then you can promote your tutoring or course on social media such as Instagram and TikTok. Teaching is not only profitable but also deeply fulfilling during the holiday season. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to offer localized services on TaskRabbit. If you don't mind stepping away from your screen, TaskRabbit connects you with people in your area who may need help with tasks. Around the holidays, tasks like gift wrapping, decorating, or assembling furniture are in high demand. For example, you could offer a holiday helper package where you wrap presents, set up lights, and organise decorations. Many people are willing to pay $20 to $50 per hour for these types of seasonal services. You can promote yourself on social media or within local community groups. A quick post in your town's Facebook group could have you fully booked in no time. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to flip holiday items. Stores often discount holiday items as Christmas approaches. You can buy discounted decorations, wrapping paper or toys and then resell them at higher prices on eBay or Amazon. For example, a discounted $5 holiday ornament can sell for $15 to $20 to last-minute shoppers who miss the deals. Keep an eye on flash sales at Walmart or Target, or check thrift stores for vintage holiday items. Timing is crucial. You want to list your items immediately to target buyers during the final holiday rush. Make sure your photos and descriptions highlight the festive appeal of the product. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to create and sell digital products. You can leverage your creativity to create digital products like holiday planners, gift tags, or even printable DIY decorations. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad allow you to sell digital downloads, which means no shipping hassle. For example, you could design a holiday budget tracker or a set of festive gift tags parents can print at home. Canva makes it simple to create beautiful templates even if you're not a designer. To help you drive sales, you can advertise on Pinterest using keywords like affordable Christmas printables. A well-designed digital product can sell hundreds of copies, generating passive income very quickly. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to rent out your stuff. Do you have items like tools, cameras, or holiday decorations that you're not using? You can rent them out for quick cash using platforms like Facebook Marketplace. For example, someone might need a ladder to hang Christmas lights on or a projector for a holiday movie night. If you own these items, you could easily earn $20 to $50 per day. You can create detailed listings with clear photos and explain how your items can make their holiday season easier. A bonus tip for you is to offer flexible pickup and drop-off times to attract renters in a rush. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is to test apps or games for developers. Developers are constantly looking for feedback on their apps or their games, and they will pay you for your time. Platforms like Playtest Cloud or beta testing allow you to participate in testing sessions, providing feedback to improve their products. For example, if you enjoy gaming, you might be asked to test a holiday-themed mobile game and share your experience. These sessions often pay $10 to $20 per test and typically take 30 minutes or less. I recommend to focus on platforms that pay in cash rather than gift cards to get quick funds. Make sure your feedback is thorough though. Developers love testers who point out the bugs or suggest valuable improvements. Let's now move on to tip number 12, which is to create quick holiday themed content for businesses. Small businesses often need help creating festive social media posts or email campaigns during the holidays. You can offer your services as a content creator specializing in holiday promotions. For instance, you can pitch to local businesses like bakeries or boutiques, offer to create 12 days of Christmas style Instagram posts, or festive email templates that showcase their products and services. You can charge per project or by the hour. Even if you're new to content creation, free tools like Canva and MailChimp make it very easy to design professional quality content. Emphasize how your work can boost their holiday sales and you'll secure clients very quickly. So there you have it, 12 simple ways to make extra money online before Christmas. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.